Today we will talk about MXLink Cloud. I want to show you how powerful this solution is from a rapid deployment and scalability point of view. Why is that relevant today? Well, companies want to have full visibility with minimal investment. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve that with 1 or 2 cameras. Come on in. Let's get into our camera selection. We chose Mobotix as the best camera line for IPTECHVIEW's platform because you can create a cloud solution with only 1 camera and needs no local boxes. At any time, users can add additional cameras, as many as they need. Mobotix is a high-quality German brand that offers excellent resolution and unbelievable durability. You know, some of our customers still have the same Mobotix cameras well over 10 years. For today's demonstration, we will look at 2 ceiling mount cameras that offer the best in field of view and are easy to install. We will take a look at the C26 that offers 360-degree visibility and the P26 that offers 180-degree visibility. Both have audio, 6 megapixels, and embedded analytics. Let's go ahead and check those out. This new solution is composed of high-quality, durable Mobotix cameras that are pre-configured with IPTECHVIEW's MXLink. Today's demonstration, we have a C26 with easy ceiling installation that has 6 megapixels, audio, embedded analytics. The same with the P26, easy ceiling installation, 6 megapixel, audio, and embedded analytics. These cameras are pre-configured for IPTECHVIEW's MXLink, allows them for fast, rapid deployment. I've drilled a hole here, and I've asked the IT department to drop a line. We're now ready to install the camera. Finding the wire is this simple. I've now connected the camera to the cable that the IT department has left me. We're now ready to mount the camera. We're now ready to view our camera on MXLink. As you see here, I'm here with my camera guy. Let's say hi to the camera. All right. Now I have another question. Wouldn't your customers want to have video verification in the event of an alarm that's tied into their alarm system panel? Well, stay tuned for our next video where we will cover MXLink's Alarm Ready feature. As you saw, Mobotix Cameras with IPTECHVIEW's MXLink is an incredibly modular surveillance solution that can be deployed in minutes and expand to a full-blown security solution that will last for many years. In our next video, we will cover Alarm Ready, a very important feature exclusive to IPTECHVIEW's MXLink. What is it? In the event of alarm, you'll receive an SMS notification. You'll be able to view your facility in seconds. So the next time your monitoring station calls, you'll be able to see if it's a false alarm or to send the police. Stay tuned. Mobotix plus MXLink, the most modular and scalable secure cloud surveillance. From 1 camera, 1 location, to hundreds of locations, thousands of cameras. Reseller partners get end users up and running in minutes, and then simply send out login credentials via SMS or email. MXLink Cloud needs no servers, no port forwarding, no plugins, no boxes, no on-site VMS. Everything works in the cloud with existing mobile devices, laptops, or desktops. Last and very important, IPTECHVIEW was designed as a professional cloud platform to simplify installation, provide secure access to users, and to enable long-term support service agreements by a local reseller they know. Thank you, and see you back in another video soon.